Use the long tail cast-on method, or whatever method is called for, to cast on the correct number of stitches onto a long circular needle with a flexible cord. Move the stitches onto the cord and locate the halfway point. Draw the cord through the halfway point so half the stitches are on each side of the needle. Orient the stitches so there's no twist. Gently draw the back needle out. This is your working needle. Join in the round and work as instructed. When you've worked all the stitches on the first needle, gently pull the cord through so the back stitches are on the empty needle. Rotate your needles and repeat. Pull the back needle out. This is your working needle. Continue working in this manner.